How can we increase safety and support for drug users, even under today's regime? Our next three speakers have come to inspire us with three innovative low-threshold initiatives. First up, Roig is the founding director of the non-profit organization Metzineres, Spain's first harm reduction program only for women and gender non-conforming people. Aura is a social anthropologist with a master's degree in criminology and sociology from the penal system and is currently completing a PhD in medical anthropology. Please welcome Roig.
Good morning. I come to present Metzineres. Metzineres were the women who used to use drugs as a remedy or as a poison. It depends. They were killed for that. But they were using the same plants that now are in the base of the modern pharmacology. What we have in Barcelona is we have everything: consumption rooms, methadone programs, needle access program, drug checking, but women are not arriving there. They just represent 15% of them. They are not safe places for women. Then we decided to open Metzineres as the first safe place for women and gender non-conforming people who use drugs. As we will see, drugs are not the main problem that they have. We are the first cooperative providing a full spectrum of harm reduction, including consumption rooms. What we don't identify as a consumption room because we are a safe space for us. We are part of the community, we are part of the neighbors, and also we are part of the social and solidarity-based economy in Barcelona. These are some of the values. For sure, anti-prohibitionism is one, radical tenderness is another one, creativity, and mutual support. The women that come to Metzineres, we are around 472 women. As you can see, it's true that most of them have problems related with drug use. They use methamphetamine, cocaine, heroin, smoking and injected, especially, but they also use alcohol, benzos, etc. But what we can see is that the 100% of them survive multiple situations of violence. They survive racism, they survive transphobia, they are homeless, they are roofless. And what we try to do is to put them in the center, like from a feminist, intersectional feminist perspective. They are the ones that control what is their process to increase their well-being, whatever it means for each one, and we just work with them towards. We try to reduce the barriers to enter to the other networks of support, like social networks, health centers, and they are in the center of our activity. They are part of our team from the beginning, and the design, the implementation, the monitoring, and the evaluation of all of initiatives, but also we fight for them to be part of all the policies that, in a direct or indirect way, they condition their lives. And we love to go to the streets and reclaim our rights, whatever, maybe against gentrification of our neighborhood, to make sure that the feminist movement includes the women that are the most vulnerable ones, and also for drug policies that don't have a feminist perspective. We don't put the drug use in the center. They can use, but what we do is theater, is radio, is a paella every Friday. That is really fun, and we try to make money in the market, not or think, really. And also, we are really serious of systematizing the data, because we are not inventing the wheel, and we know that we need to prove that what we are doing is doing something good and not bad, but also because we want to make sure that we make visible what is really important for the women that come to our place. Then we provide with new indicators that give some information of what is going on. We do it in an open source. And always, as we like to do the things, like we first ask the women what they know, and this is some of the materials that come from that. We ask the women what they know. After that, we go to the scientific community. The scientific community say that what the women say was totally okay and is written in that kind of article that nobody else reads. Then we do it in a normal language that they can understand, and we provide this information as a peer-to-peer tool. You can check that in our website. Metzineres has been recognized as a good practice internationally and locally. And you can find all the information that you want in our Facebook, Instagram, but especially go to our videos because you can listen to them and they are really nice and more clever than I am. Then just enjoy that. Thank you.